there's a growing movement of people who are deciding to make their lives better. At LifeVantage, we're in the business of change, of improving quality of life globally and restoring the ability to make dreams a reality. Your quest for personal fulfillment begins here. All over the world, people are awakening to the realization they're off course.
Early morning I was going to the office, late night coming home, early morning, late night, early morning, late night, and just stuck in that rat race. And I wanted time. I wanted time to spend with the people that mattered most to me.
And they don't have time to do anything. They don't raise their kids. They don't spend time with their families. They're out working to support, and sometimes it's the husband and the wife.
It's a global epidemic characterized by feelings of emptiness, frustration, and a yearning for change. Something new, something better. To truly live and experience all that life has to offer is a priority for most everyone. Of course, age plays a significant role in this journey. Many of the physical challenges reducing quality of life are connected to the natural processes of aging. Are you or those you love limited in the ability to enjoy life because of age-related health struggles? Some of the health issues associated with aging arise from something known as oxidative stress, which impacts everyone.
If you put a piece of wood in a wood-burning stove, if you put gasoline in your car, the very act of reacting these fuels with oxygen produces reactive toxic byproducts known as oxidants and free radicals. And it turns out that our cells, utilizing the food that we eat, produce these very same chemicals.
Our flagship product, Protandim, the Nrf2 Synergizer, is the key to fighting oxidative stress. This daily supplement, comprised of natural ingredients, activates the body's antioxidant enzymes to eliminate free radicals, which cause oxidative stress. Consumers spend billions every year on antioxidants in the form of food and supplements, hoping to reduce these free radicals. But antioxidants from these sources can only eliminate one free radical for every one antioxidant molecule you consume. Taking Protandim increases the enzymes in your body that can eliminate 1 million free radicals per second every second. Protandim has been tested in the laboratories of renowned universities such as The Ohio State University, LSU, and the University of Colorado, Denver. These studies found on PubMed.gov, the U.S. government's online scientific library, clinically show that Protandim reduces oxidative stress.
We found, as many other scientists had documented, that there is a progressive increase in T-bars in your blood the older you get. When these same people took Protandim for 30 days, the age-dependent increase in lipid peroxidation was completely eliminated. After Protandim, we could no longer distinguish the 80-year-old from the 20-year-old. The statement that Protandim supplementation can completely eliminate the age-dependent increase in oxidative stress is a very powerful statement.
Imagine having a natural nutritional supplement that is scientifically proven to impact the health and wellness of you and your loved ones.
When I saw that Protandim reduces oxidative stress by 40% in 30 days, I was all in for the rest of my life.
Everyone begs us for science as an industry. Where's your proof? Well, we have that also.
I swear, this stuff really works. Here's the scientific proof. So I started reading the documentation. I thought, wow, this is kind of interesting. Not just a testimonial, but scientists are saying this works.
Protandim reduces oxidative stress by activating a protein called Nrf2, which stimulates protective genes and enzymes to neutralize the effects of free radicals which cause oxidative stress. If you haven't heard of Nrf2, you will. LifeVantage is devoted to advancing Nrf2 science and leading the fight against oxidative stress, to developing new products based on cutting-edge science and providing products such as TrueScience Anti-Aging Cream. While Protandim reduces free radicals on the inside of the body, TrueScience works to protect skin from free radical damage externally. This moisturizer targets the cause of aging, not just the signs. As the largest organ in the body, you need extra protection to keep the good in and the bad out. While true science protects the skin from free radical damage, it also moisturizes, smooths, hydrates, and provides an even skin tone. The debilitating effects of oxidative stress impact everyone. Protandim and True Science work to reduce the effects of free radical damage. Who do you know that would benefit from Protandim and other LifeVantage products? How would the lives of those you care about be different by reducing their oxidative stress? We invite you to make LifeVantage products a part of your health regimen today. We're committed to offering science-based, research-backed products and a business opportunity to improve the physical and financial health of consumers everywhere. In these times of economic turmoil and financial uncertainty, as you search for stability and quality of life, you can rely on LifeVantage.
The LifeVantage community is a family. We may be second cousins or sisters and brothers to one another, but you know what? We're a family at the end of the day. It doesn't matter where you're born or who enrolled you. It just matters that we all work together.
I think one of the most rewarding things about LifeVantage for me personally is the people that are able to be home and raise their kids and have a say in what they do in their lives and not miss the events in their kids' lives. That's huge to me.
LifeVantage products and the LifeVantage opportunity are giving people all over the world the life they desire. At our core, we are committed to providing you with ways to improve your quality of life and to help you gain what is missing. If you knew of a company that is trusted and you were offered an exclusive business opportunity with it, would you want to share it with those you love and care about? If you had exclusive distribution to these oxidative stress-reducing products, which everyone needs, do you think this would be a unique financial opportunity? We know that it is. As you share LifeVantage products with those you care about, you can be compensated through an exclusive business opportunity and lucrative compensation plan.
I thought to myself, if this is real, now I got to go do something.
In my opinion, when you're looking at opportunity, you want to find that perfect moment where you eliminate as much risk as possible, but you have the highest potential return.
Now is the best time to take advantage of the LifeVantage business opportunity. Those that do will regain the time and freedom they seek to build their own future.
Success is really more of a function of recognizing foresight rather than hindsight. Everybody recognizes hindsight and that's second guessing and I should have done this different.
We were very anti-network marketing in the beginning. We thought it was for people that couldn't get a real job, but we were just wrong. Network marketing is the answer that people are looking for. They just don't know it.
LifeVantage makes learning and succeeding in this business opportunity possible with a proven system for success that anyone can follow.
It's imperative that we have a system, a track to run on. We have that. It's the Master Track system.
The LifeVantage Master Track is a proven system that includes training, events, and valuable tools that will help guide you along your path to success.
And if you just follow that system, the Master Track, it'll take you from amateur to professional. And the difference between an amateur and a professional is that an amateur pays money to play and a professional gets paid to play.
Do you want to benefit from the LifeVantage opportunity and share it with others? Are you ready to take the necessary steps to make the change, to do something better? With products that work and an attractive business opportunity, LifeVantage is the vehicle that will get you those things you've always wanted: health, wellness, and quality of life filled with options to do the things that you love. Are you ready to change your life? Do you have personal goals and ambitions that are waiting to be fulfilled? Don't let your dreams remain just that, dreams. Make them a reality with LifeVantage and its science-based, research-backed products and business opportunity. You have the tools you need to achieve personal fulfillment.
You know, I think what's missing in people's lives today is meaning. If you're out there and you're doing a job or you're doing something and you feel like you're not really contributing and you're not giving back and you're not being fed, I encourage you, take a hard look at LifeVantage.
When someone who cares about you brings you something that can change that, you have to take that. You have to run with it.
For things to change, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to get better. You have the opportunity to be able to make choices based on where you want to go and not on the limit of your income.
Now you've got all this information, you have to make a decision. It's a simple decision. Do you want to do this or do you want to miss it?
Now is the time for you to make a choice. Contact the person who introduced you to LifeVantage. Break the barriers that have been holding you back and change your life and your future today.